In 2025, the trend of transforming small spaces into productive and beautiful gardens continues to grow, especially with urban dwellers seeking sustainable and aesthetic ways to connect with nature. One of the most popular approaches this year is the concept of vertical gardening, which allows gardeners to maximize yields even on balconies or tiny patios. Vertical gardening uses wall planters, trellises, and hanging pots to grow vegetables like cherry tomatoes, peppers, and herbs upwards instead of outwards. This not only saves space, but creates a living green. Another enduring trend is the integration of pollinator-friendly plants into vegetable gardens. In 2025, there is a heightened awareness of declining bee and butterfly populations. And gardeners are responding by planting species that attract these essential pollinators. Lavender, echinacea, calendula, and borage are some of the top choices being used as borders or interplanted between vegetables. These flowers not only support local ecosystems, but also improve vegetable yields through better pollination. Gardeners are also being encouraged to avoid pesticides and instead use companion planting techniques to naturally deter pests. For example, marigolds can repel nematodes, while basil can deter mosquitoes and flies, making these plants both protective and beneficial for surrounding crops. Creating a balance between aesthetics, sustainability, and productivity is at the heart of this growing movement. Meanwhile, composting at home has become more streamlined and accessible than ever before. With compact compost bins designed for small urban gardens gaining popularity. In 2025, manufacturers have introduced odorless, pest-proof compost solutions that fit seamlessly on patios or under kitchen counters. Gardeners are encouraged to compost kitchen scraps, garden trimmings, and even shredded paper to create nutrient-rich compost that can be directly added to raised beds or container gardens. This not only reduces household waste, but provides a sustainable source of organic fertilizer, improving soil structure and plant health over time. There's also a push for lazy composting, where gardeners layer green and brown materials in unused garden corners, allowing nature to break them down slowly without much intervention. This approach aligns with the modern gardener's desire for low-maintenance, eco-friendly solutions. Finally, the rise of smart gardening tools is making home gardening more tech-savvy in 2025. From app-controlled irrigation systems to soil sensors that send data directly to your smartphone, gardeners can now monitor moisture, pH levels, and sunlight exposure in real time. This technology helps prevent over- or underwatering, optimizes fertilization schedules, and provides tailored advice for each plant species. Many of these tools are designed with sleek aesthetics, blending seamlessly into garden decor while providing functional insights. Smart gardening is especially popular among beginners as it reduces the guesswork and boosts confidence in plant care. As more people embrace gardening for mental health, food security, and environmental reasons, these innovations make it easier to maintain healthy, productive gardens without requiring